Alright guys, we got box 2 here, so let's get into it. The first 3 boxes have been not very good. I mean, but yeah, we'll see. Hopefully they can get better. Hopefully we can get some Roy Mojo, Marcus, Andre Barriani, something nice. So, here we go. Pack 1. Got a hit already. It's just the auto. No, it's not the auto. It's a Lamar Odom jersey, number out of 50. Cool card. Goes to the Lakers. And MJDA has the Lakers, so cool card. Draft rewind of Jamal McGlure. Okay, I guess, whatever. Okay, base. One nice hit here would definitely serve all these boxes right. So, Jason Richardson, draft rewind. So, hopefully we can get a really nice big hit here. Some kind of mojo. More base. Base. More base. All these products are pretty hit or miss, but I don't know. More base. LeBron base. That's cool. I think this is probably a hit here. Doesn't look like it. Okay, we got a redemption on the back. Hopefully it's sick. Sheldon Williams, Fleer Hot Prospects, Rookie Letterman Auto. No numbering. Now these are 1 per hit case, so that's a pretty sick card. And who has the Hawks? Since he's with the Hawks on this card, Rover Kid, I believe, has the Hawks. Yes, Rover Kid has the Hawks. So congratulations, dude. That's a pretty sick hit. Now we should still have another auto. So to me, in my opinion, this box has done its purpose with that card. Nice notable newcomers, Rajon Rondo. Of course, I'd like another big hit. There should still be an auto patch, if I'm not wrong. So, here we have a Jason Kidd. Draft rewind. Base, basically. If this is the hit, I'll go ahead and put it aside. It's not. I don't think. Okay, it is. I'm going to put it aside. I saw who it was. Not that great, but oh well. I think the Sheldon basically made up for this box. But what can you do? Do we have an extra hit here? We might. I kind of doubt it. I guess. Draft rewind. Jermaine O'Neal. It's okay, I guess. And then the hit is a James Augustine auto. Numbered out of 500. So, not very good. Again, kind of sucks. These boxes are turning out to be duds. But, trademark moves. Let's get ourselves a bird. Peace. Trademark moves coming up.